In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play variants on chess.com, a popular platform for chess enthusiasts looking to explore different versions of the classic game. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to chess.com by typing in the URL or searching for chess.com in your search engine. This website is a hub for all things chess, offering a variety of options for players of all levels, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro looking for a challenge. Once you've landed on the chess.com homepage, look towards the left middle corner of the page where you'll find the login option. Clicking this will prompt you to sign in to your account. If you already have a chess.com account, go ahead and enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you've previously set up your account using Google, Apple or Facebook, you also have the option to log in via those platforms, which can be a more streamlined way to access your account, particularly if you frequently switch between devices. Assuming that you've opted to use a Google account linked to chess.com, simply click on the Gmail account associated with your profile. This step will allow you to seamlessly log in without having to remember yet another password, making accessing your chess settings and preferences quick and easy. With your account now ready, the next step is to start playing. Click on the play button, which is usually prominent on your dashboard after you log in. This is your gateway to a variety of gameplay options, including the special variant modes we're focusing on today. Within the playing section, look for the 4-player and variants option. This area hosts a wide range of chess variants beyond the standard game. Click on this and you'll be presented with a list of different variants to choose from. Each variant brings its own unique twist to the game, offering you new strategies to explore and enjoy. After deciding on which variant you want to try, click on your chosen option. At this point, you'll need to click play to start creating a challenge. This essentially sets up a game for another player to join you in this specific variant. If you're eager to jump right into a game, why not head over to the lobby? Here, you can accept an open challenge, connecting you immediately with a fellow chess enthusiast who's ready and waiting to play the same variant. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to explore the diverse world of chess variants on chess.com. It's a fantastic way to expand your chess skills and enjoy the game in new, exciting forms. Don't hesitate to explore and challenge yourself today.